Welcome back to another example in using binomial expansion formula to solve a problem as this. These questions said 1 plus 2 over 3x raised to power 2. They say we should expand it using the expansion formula for binomial expressions. So start with solution. And then we have to recall the formula to know how we apply it properly, right? So let's say I have 1 plus x raised to power n. That's the formula. So you have 1 plus nx plus n open bracket n minus 1 x raised to power 2 over 2 factorial, then plus n into n minus 1 to n minus 2 all over, then x raised to power 3 all over 3 factorial. And then if you continue like that, n into n minus 1 to n minus 2 to n minus 3 x raised to the power of 4 all over 4 factorial. Then you can proceed like that to n of n's, right? Okay, so if this is it, if this is what is obtainable, then we can just substitute these values into this and still get our value. But first, how do you respond to this? Because they say you should use the binomial expansion formula to obtain the first 4 terms. The first what? 4 terms. So if we start like this, you see that this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term, this is the fifth term, right? So if you are asked to look for the fourth term, the substitution will end here, right? So let's take for the fourth term. Let's bring out the one we want to use from the general formula so that our substitution will go smoothly. So it will be 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 x raised to power 2 all over 2 factorial, then plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 x raised to power 3 all over 3 what? Factorial. So this is what we're going to use, right? But for professionalism, you can just plus this and that to show that there are other terms that can be added. Okay, so if we try to substitute now, we just replace this value. This is going to be 1 plus 2 over 3x raised to the power of 2. So what it means here is n is 2, x is 2 over 3x here. So we just substitute it into this place, right? So we're going to be having 1 plus n is 2, x is 2 over 3x, right? So this is multiplication, then plus n is 2 into 2 minus 1. X here is what? 2 over 3x all square all over 2 factorial. Then plus here n is 2, 2 into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 into x is what? 2 over 3x all raised to the power of 3 divided by 3 what? Factorial. Is that okay? All right, so let's see how we go about that, right? Okay, so here we'll be having 1 plus 2 times 2 will give you 4, and then times x will give you 4x plus 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1 all over 2 factorial into 2 over 3x all raised to the power of 2 plus 2 into 1 into 0 into 2 over 3 x is to the power 3, right? This x is to the power 3 is outside the bracket, then divided by 3 factorial. Okay, so this is going to be 1 plus 4x over 3, then plus 2 cancel 2 factorial, so they are gone. So here you'll be having 2 over 3 x all raised to the power of 2, then plus 2 times 0 times 2 over 3 x raised to the power of 3 divided by 3 factorial. So this is going to be give you 1 plus 4x all over 3 plus expanding this now is going to give you 4x all over 9. But anything multiplied by 0 is what? 0. So our final answer is 1 plus 4x over 3, right? Then plus 4x over what? 9. Please, this x is also raised to the power of 2. Yeah, I omitted that. So this will be the end of your solution. That will be your final answer. Okay, so stop here and then we'll pick another example and solve again. Bye for now and see you in the next video. In the next video, you have to follow because the power now is going to be negative. So the operation is going to be a bit different. So follow suit, follow. Bye for now.